Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flickr Brain, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 3 major proxy servers for safe loading, and I'm also going to be showing with you guys the updates on this particular AdSense account I posted 2 weeks ago that I've received payments on the 21st. And if you're a first timer on this page, you're interested in learning everything regarding Google AdSense loading, quickly hit the subscribe button and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video you get notified. All right, now you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard on the screen, and currently you can see what we have done so far on this account. We are pushing in a lot of traffic on the site this month, and let me reload this to know if there's any updates on this page. Okay, so there's no update so far. You can see what we generated last month. You can see roughly 20 something thousand dollars, and you can also see what is going on today so far, and you can tell from this month so far what we have generated on this account. Now coming over to the performance, you can see the amount of traffic that is coming in. Now this traffic is a two mixed traffic, which is mixed with arbitrage, loading, and organic traffic. Normally there's organic traffic coming in on this site. I'll also show you guys the payments page. I'll show you guys the payment that was received on this account, so you see for yourself that this payment was received this month on the 21st. You can see it over here. On the 21st of this month, we received these payments. This account is a huge account. I'm receiving payment. This is a partnership account. I'm working with someone, and you can see what was done on May, and you can also see what was done on April. Okay, so regardless, let's go back to the main page. And now, so we can tell that the method I work with is a detailed method that works on a good AdSense account. So regardless, I said I will be sharing with you guys the 3 major proxy servers I make use of in loading a good AdSense account. Now, the first proxy server we're going to be making use of is the one everybody knows. That proxy server is Cherry. So let's go over to the browser. Let me open the browser and search for Cherry Proxy. Most of you that are my students there, you always know about this Cherry Proxy. Now, this Cherry Proxy is good for rotating IPs, majorly rotating IPs. I would not recommend Cherry Proxy for static because from my personal experience, I've had a lot of challenges working with static proxy from Cherry. Okay, so let me go. Let's click on this link. I think my network is delaying. Okay, so you can see here now this Cherry Proxy is more best for rotating proxies, residential rotating proxies. If you're working with a bot and you're looking for a perfect proxy to work with, I recommend this Cherry Proxy for rotating proxies. Remember, Cherry Proxy works best for rotating proxies. I also share with you guys the other proxy servers you can make use of if you want to make use of a static proxy. So you can just come here and pick the product. You can see this residential proxy over here. You actually select the one that is rotating. Okay, you can just come here and make your own selection. Now we're going to go over to the next, which is going to be Oxylab. Okay, so let me click on here. Oxylab is the next proxy we're going to be working with. Now Oxylab is one of my best proxy. I'm not going to lie to you. I make use of Oxylab constantly. For those of you that haven't working manually, I recommend Oxylab for you. Those of you that make use of static proxy manually, you work manually, make use of static proxy, Oxylab is the best option for you available in the market. And it's also affordable for most of you out there because most of you are not financially stable to get a lot of these expensive proxies. I'll also be sharing a very expensive proxy that is perfect. This one is best for loading. Which that proxy is Foxy Proxy. Let's go over to the browser. Foxy Proxy. Foxy Proxy. Now, this proxy is the proxy I myself majorly use. I use Foxy Proxy together with Cherry Proxy. These are the two proxies I work with. Okay. Now, Foxy Proxy is very expensive. You can see it here, Foxy. Click on this one over here. It's very, very expensive. I won't lie to you. This proxy is very expensive. But if you have the money to get this proxy, it's an unlimited proxy plan. You can come over here and click on the buy proxy. You see it here, buy proxy. Click on it, and it's going to bring you to the options that are available. You can see the options on this place. Now, this proxy, mind you, is very expensive. Very, very expensive. I won't lie to you. But once you make use of this proxy, your earnings are guaranteed. Mix this proxy with Cherry Proxy and you see good results. That's basically the proxy I work with on this page. Foxy and Cherry Proxy are the two proxy I make use of in loading. Now you can see the earnings that are on this side. These earnings are mixed organic traffic and also my fully automation method that works on this site. Now, if you're interested in learning this method, you're interested in knowing how I do this, if you check in the description box, you're going to see a contact info there for my own fully loading strategy. You can click there to reach out to me so that I will share with you the strategy I work with. And if you have a good AdSense account that you can bring in for partnership, I advise you bring in that account, and you can also make use of the link in the description box to reach out to me. Stay safe out there and see you guys in the next video.